Hi, my name is Rebecca, and today I'll be talking about how my group will be teaching 3 lessons centred around Hass in Year 3. But first, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land on which we are meeting, the Whadjuk people. The 3 lessons will look at National Sorry Day, National Reconciliation Week, and No Doc Week. The first lesson will begin with a brief introduction of National Sorry Day, which will lead to the students engaging with the My Place apology episode and The Stolen Girl by Trina Safoni and Norma MacDonald. In order to achieve the outcomes of Lesson 1, the students will be asked questions that are appropriate and linked with the My Place episode, and they will be expected to create a graphic novel or short story that is centered around the reading of The Stolen Girl and how the students would have felt if they were taken away from their families. The second lesson will begin again with a brief introduction to National Reconciliation Week, leading to the students creating a National Reconciliation Week poster and the students engaging in a National Reconciliation walk and meeting with an Indigenous elder who will talk about the history of the community and how Reconciliation Week affects them. In order for the students to achieve the outcomes of this lesson, they will create a Reconciliation Week poster and attend and engage in a reconciliation walk and discussion with an Indigenous elder. The final lesson will begin with a brief introduction of No Doc Week again, leading to the students researching recipients of No Doc Week awards and creating a class hall of fame that will consist of the recipients of these awards. They will also engage with an Indigenous elder who will teach the students some Indigenous Australian words and songs, and they will participate in an Indigenous hip-hop project dance incursion. In order to achieve the outcomes, the students will create a Hall of Fame, which will consist of research of a No Doc Week award recipient, to learn and discuss traditional Aboriginal dances, which will be also performed as an assembly item, and they will learn Indigenous words and songs with the help of an Indigenous elder. The 3 Hass lessons were created to be authentic lessons, not just for Indigenous students, but for non-Indigenous students as well.